Him. Him. Hello Anvil Nation, I have gathered you here today because our pal Lexmark66 did not do a diaper strap giveaway for us this Christmas, and by that we are very saddened. Oops, excuse me, I farted mama. We farted mama. Now listen closely, for what I have in front of you today is the holy diaper strap. And if you would just pause for 1.500 seconds, I will announce what we are going to be doing with this said item of greatness. Quiet down please and thank you. This diaper strap has been lost for hundreds of years, but we finally have it. Anvils rise up. Oh my goodness gosh me, this is exciting. Now for the main event. Since Lexmark did not do a diaper strap giveaway this Christmas, I am doing one right now for you, the Anvil Nation. If you want to be entered into this giveaway, simply fart and you will be entered. Just kidding, muhahaha, this is my diaper strap, fools.